Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and another video in our Side Hustles for Life. In today's video, I actually want to discuss with you the best small business checking accounts in case you're looking around and you own a small business and you're considering opening a separate business account. There are lots and lots of business accounts out there that you can choose from, but in my opinion, the following 10 business accounts or banks are actually my favorite. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to choose one of those banks and consider opening a small business account with one of them. Now, for those of you who are new on the channel, this channel is all about making money online or through a business. I help you start making money online, start a business, whether you're in the US or Canada. I teach you all the methods for free, so feel free to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, so that you get notified of my future videos, and I post almost every week. So in my opinion, the best small business checking accounts should have limited fees. And this is very important, especially for your daily financial transactions. You're going to have a lot of them. Some accounts out there are nearly fee-free, while others allow you to waive the monthly fee if you meet the transaction and balance criteria. Banks providing these accounts should also offer some outstanding business support and services, including something like a lending service, for example, or a merchant services, and access to interest-earning accounts as well. These are a few things to consider. Both the traditional banks and also the online banks out there offer outstanding business checking accounts. All you need to do is browse through a lot of them. Don't rush into the first one you see. Determine which one is right for your company by identifying the features and the services they offer, and then apply for the most suitable account for your business. Now, our list starts with the Bank of America. And what we like about it is that, excuse me, you get 200 free transactions per month, which is important in case you're doing business on a daily basis and you're going to need that much transactions per month. It also offers free digital tools to track business performance and ongoing rewards, which is great, something I find useful. The drawbacks, cash deposit fees charged per $100 over monthly allowance, which I don't like. Doesn't offer ATM fee reimbursements, which other banks offer, and requires a $100 opening deposit. There are a lot of features you can read about, such as deposit checks, view accounts, make transfers, and pay bills with the mobile app. I found that very easy. Credit card processing and payroll services, also through the ADP. Cash flow monitor, cash management tool, connects accounting, analytics, and payroll apps. You can check your business card, credit card score through, credit score through a partnership with the Dun & Bradstreet. There is a free debit card when you open the account. You can integrate with QuickBooks, TurboTax, or Zelle for tax purposes. Customer service during business hours, in branch or via phone or social media, they're very helpful. Merchant services available also through Expensify, and there are other products that they offer like business savings, certificate of deposits, lending products, financial analysis through Merrill Financial Advisor, and more. So this is our first bank on the list today. And now next on our list is Chase Bank, and with Chase you get $300 bonus when you open an account, which is very tempting. Easy to waive the monthly fee. They do have a monthly fee, unfortunately, but you can waive it. And a built-in card acceptance with Quick Accept via the Chase mobile app. What we don't like about Chase is the limited number of free transactions per month, ATM fees not reimbursed as well with Chase, and a fee for cash deposits of more than $5,000 per statement period. Features include manage debit, deposit, and ATM card settings for individual employees, depositing checks, view account balances, pay bills, and make transfers through the mobile app. Integrates with QuickBooks and other leading accounting software. There's a free debit card when you sign up, mailed within 10 business days of the application approval. Physical checks costs, depending on what type you ordered, actually. Chase Merchant Services, live customer support, other products such as business savings, CDs, and lending products, credit cards, and others. And third on our list today is Bluevine. With Bluevine, you get interest earning checking on balances of $250,000 or less, which we find very interesting. You can integrate it with QuickBooks as well, and they have excellent line of credit products. Now, this is helpful if you are going to need a line of credit in the future. They have a really excellent product for line of credit. Now, the drawbacks are no savings, money market, and certificate of deposit accounts. There's no physical branch location, so this is basically only online. And only one debit card is issued per account. Now, this may or may not be a drawback, actually. I prefer to have more than one debit card, but other people might not find that very important. The good features they have are no monthly maintenance fee, which is great, no minimum balance requirement, also great, free debit card, and 2 free checkbook orders per year. I find that very helpful. Integrates with QuickBooks as well, connects with business payment solutions such as Stripe, PayPal, and Expensify. That's very important for people who operate e-commerce, and has live support and offers a line of credit like I mentioned before. Next on our list is US Bank, and again, no monthly fee with US Bank, free mobile check deposits, and you can apply in person, online, or by the phone, so very easy. The drawbacks we found were only available in 26 states, so it's not all over the US, and that's something you have to keep in mind if you're gonna need a bank account transaction in certain states. Expensive wire fees, limited free transactions as well every month. So yeah, those were the drawbacks we found. Some of the features they offer: send and receive money through the app, digital invoicing and payment systems integrated into your online dashboard, a mobile app to monitor all your accounts, easy integration with overdraft protection or credit card processing services, free debit card, and 50% discount on the first check order up to $50, integrations with QuickBooks, customer service online, and other products. The next bank on my list is Novo, and with Novo you get zero maintenance fees, refunds, all ATM fees, which is great. Novo Boost and Express ACH allow faster access to your funds, also great. However, the drawbacks were unable to deposit cash directly, the lack of savings accounts and lending products, and the non-interest drawing account. Features included integrating with business tools such as QuickBooks, PayPal, Shopify, Square, Stripe, so good for e-commerce. Set aside funds for taxes and other large business expenses with Novo Reserves. Deposit checks directly through the mobile app. Online banking includes unlimited invoicing and bill pay. The Novo Boost is in coordination with Stripe. allows you to access funds faster. The Express ACH lets you accept or receive same-day automated clearinghouse, which is great. They have a virtual debit card available immediately as soon as you apply, and one free physical debit card per user. Paper checks can be sent straight from the app, and they have a live customer support. The next bank on my list is the Capital One, and here you get unlimited transactions, easy ATM access, and low or no monthly fees. Fantastic. However, the drawbacks requires $250 for opening deposit. The account opening cannot be done online, and account does not earn interest. So if that's something that you care about, this bank might not be your favorite. However, some of the features are you can pay bills, track accounts, transfer funds, and deposit checks with your mobile app. It integrates with Xero and other top accounting software. Free overdraft protection when linked to another small business deposit account. You get free debit card, physical checks, 24/7 support, and other products such as credit cards and unlimited business checking. And next on my list is the Grasshopper Bank, and here you get cash back on debit card purchases, interest-bearing account, and no monthly fees or transaction fees. That's awesome. Some of the drawbacks were no physical location, so this is an online-only banking, minimum deposit required to open a bank account, and cash deposits not accepted. Now, some of the features included in Grasshopper's bank account, business bank account, are 1% cash back on all online and in-store debit card purchases. I find that very awesome. Autobooks software purchased by Grasshopper for all small business banking customers for digital invoicing and online payments. There's no monthly fees or transaction fees, no minimum balance required. I find that very helpful. 24-hour, 7 days a week, online and mobile banking, unlimited free ACH, physical and virtual debit card available. They integrate with QuickBooks and customer support via phone, live chat, email, secure message, and text message, and also available through the app. And they have some other products. The next bank on our list is Mercury, and with Mercury you get no minimum deposit to open an account, physical and virtual debit cards, and Treasury product offers outstanding yield on balances over $250,000. However, the drawbacks were accounts not available to sole proprietorship, so if that's how your business is set, you might not be able to open a business account with Mercury. Lacks paper check writing abilities, and there's limited lending options and no cash deposits. Features included earning interest with Mercury Treasury product if you have more than $250,000, which I mentioned earlier. Set customer user permissions for your team members. You can create auto transfer rules for your accounts. It integrates with QuickBooks and Xero. Virtual debit cards available right away, with physical debit cards arriving in mail in about a few days. You can also get you can't get physical checks with Mercury. Business payment integrations, you can integrate with Shopify, Stripe, Zapier, Amazon, and PayPal. Email customer service available. Saving account provided when you open the checking account. And then there are other products. Another great bank on our list is the Found Bank, and with Found you get no monthly fees, minimum balances, account fees, or sign-up fees, so absolutely no fees with Found. Excellent expense tracking on both its desktop and mobile apps, and helps you track tax write-offs and gives you a real-time tax estimates. We find that very helpful, actually. The drawbacks where you cannot currently deposit checks made out in your business's name, doesn't accept cash deposits, and cannot purchase checks or issue them from the app. Some of the features included providing a business debit MasterCard, which allows you to track expenses and receive purchase alerts. Debit cards can be frozen in the Found app. Desktop and mobile apps are available. Connect to accounting software and payment apps such as Cash App, PayPal, Square, Venmo, and eBay. Integrated bookkeeping allows you to categorize expenses, customize invoices, and capture receipts. You can also set custom rules. Track tax write-offs in the app, view your tax estimate update in real time, pay your taxes directly from the app, and you can also send your Schedule C directly from the app. And they have customer service via email, online forms, and support guides on the website. Last but not least on our list is the Oxygen Bank, and here you get rare fintech that offers both personal and business banking. There are no monthly fees or transaction fees. There's single-use virtual cards available for online shopping, provide extra security, of course. And the drawbacks were no free cash deposits and only one authorized user allowed per the account. And of course, there's no physical location. This is an online-only bank. However, some of the features were nationwide LLC creation available through their Oxygen app, a 5% cash back rewards on everyday purchases with your debit card, ability to create single-use virtual cards to keep your business bank account secure, business savings product available with 1% APY on balances up to $20,000, and also they offer multiple personal checking accounts, free Oxygen Visa business debit card, and an unlimited amount of virtual cards, integrations with QuickBooks, Xero, Plaid, and Gusto, and customer service via the toll-free phone number, email, social media support, and online help articles. Now, this was the last bank on our list, but I also wanted to give you a few information about why should you consider a business checking account. So, business checking accounts keep your business and your personal finances separated, and basically to maintain the accuracy of your business's financial records, it's essential to keep your business and personal finances separated. Also, it helps you build your business credit. When you open a business bank account, credit bureaus begin tracking your business credit history. It lets you assess your business's performance more easily with your income and expenses running through the dedicated business account. It becomes easier to analyze your business's performance. Another perk is it lends credibility to your business. So customers will see your business as more trustworthy when payments come from a business account. It also simplifies tax season. Using a business checking account helps maintaining a record of income and expenses, simplifying your tax preparation at the end of the year. And finally, it helps you build a banking relationship, which can be beneficial if you need business financing in the future, right? Now, another question that keeps coming up with new business owners is, what do you need to open a small business checking account? So every bank is different, but there are certain items that you have to have available for almost every bank, such as, number one, an employer identification number or a social security number if you are a sole proprietor. Number two, a business name, certificate, or doing business as certificate. Number three, business formation documents. Number four, organization documents, including your ownership agreements. Number five, business licenses, of course. And finally, number six, government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or a driver's license. Now, these are the 6 most important things that you have to have available before opening a small business bank account. So I guess the bottom line here is that all of the banks and financial technology companies listed here or elsewhere offer outstanding business checking products. Some providers even have full service banking, while others specialize in certain aspects of business banking. Understand what you need from a business bank. Compare the offerings and fees of each provider in this video, or if someone else told you about some other banks, and then choose the bank that best meets your business's current and future needs. Also think about your future needs. I guess that sums up the information in this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any question about any of the banks mentioned. I've tried some of them, so I might be able to answer your questions if you have any questions about the bank I mentioned today. And I wish you all the best with your businesses. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.